Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of February 27th through March 5th. This is the planner, the vertical planner that I use as my wellness and fitness planner. It is a printable from Baker Lane Studio. I do have a link in the description box. If you use that link to sign up for her no spam newsletter, you'll get a discount code. So, but this is based on the original Happy Planner Breathe Wellness and Fitness Planner. So it's got a lot of the stuff that I used to have to add already on there, which is why I love it so much. So the theme I'm going with, earlier this week, Monday this week, I posted the unboxing of the latest Planners Anonymous kit, Pretty Posy 2. And of course I can't resist using a kit right away when I get it. It's not quite spring yet, but I'm starting to feel some of the spring vibes. I'm slowly giving away the hope that we're gonna get any more snow because we didn't get much this year. So anyway, let's go ahead and work on this. So here's my color scheme right here on the cover. I did pull the washi tapes. I don't think I'm gonna use the wide one because it's more of the bumblebee theme out of the kit. But this floral washi with all the different colors, I think is going to make it onto the spread. I have also pulled some Narrative Hues, aka Girl Bossiana overlay tapes. This is the Best Wishes extra large, and I think the colors match well enough that I can use these down here like every other. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So these journaling boxes, the original Breathe Wellness and Fitness Planner had 7 prompts. So every single week they were exactly the same. Monday was always the same, Tuesday was always the same, so on and so forth. So one of the big improvements that Katie has made on this is 31 different prompts. So you only have a prompt one time each month. Now these are not wide enough to fill in the whole box, but I really don't mind that. I'll just write down the center. So I just really like this addition of color, and like I said, I feel like these colors match well enough. So I'm just going to do every other box with these. And there are 4 colors on the roll, so if I do every other box, then I get one of each color on the spread. Well, I was going to move that over a little bit so that it was over the words a little bit better, but it started to rip the page a little bit, so we'll leave it. And then what I thought I could do was maybe look for a couple quotes for across the bottom. I think I want to put this washi tape maybe across the top. I don't know yet. Let's see. So what I use the center part for is, other than hydration, which I just fill in with a mild liner, I like to use it for, spit it out, Jude, food diary. So I don't get really down into the details of the nutritional information, just basically high level what I ate on a given day. So, and then I also include space for any workouts I might do, which every other day. So I'm Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put 4 bullet points on each day. I have my super pointy tweezers. These are for artificial eyelash, dealing with artificial eyelashes. I have a link for them in the description box. It's an Amazon affiliate link. Don't be afraid of affiliate links. They don't cost you any extra. They simply take a few pennies of the profit and direct them my way. So I'm going to put 4 bullet points on each day and workout boxes on every other day, and I'll be back. There we go. All right. The very back page of the book has some gold words, and so I thought I would look for something to put up here above the circles, which you can use these for whatever you want. I like to use them for, I do a smiley face or a frowny face for keto, how well I did eating keto. But you can do mood, you can do check marks for like a habit tracker, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do this up here, I'm sorry, I'm a little scattered today. I'm not really sure why. That's for my weigh-in. I weigh in once a week, and then I want to put, normally I would write the word keto up there, but I'm thinking I want to go ahead and do health or food. Let's do health, because health is not one I would normally use. It's gold foil, so that's pretty. Oh, it's hitting the camera just right. You can see it. But I know what that means. I know I'm going to do smiley face or frowny face based on how well I ate. So, okay. I do want to put a little bit of a decorative element or something on there to kind of jazz that up a little bit. I could do a mini. How about an exercise mini or something? She's kind of relaxing. I thought usually there's one with there we go, barbells. Let's put her on there. She is clear though, so maybe if I put it kind of like so, I can kind of curve her around it a little bit. That works. And then I'll just write in my weigh-in number there. What else? I was toying with the idea of putting a box sticker here for this journaling prompt, but I don't think I will. If you want to see the unboxing for this book, I will link it in the cards up above. It's really easy to find though. It just posted a couple days ago, so. Let's go ahead and do a strip of washi tape all the way across here. Top or bottom? I think bottom. It seems like it has a flower bed kind of a feel to me, which seems like it should be toward the bottom of the set of boxes and not the top. So when you're doing a run of washi tape like this, don't pull it super tight. It's imperceptible, but it does cause the washi tape to stretch a little bit if you pull it too tight, and that then when you trim the ends, it contracts back to its natural state, and that's what causes your page to curl. Excellent. So we've got a good start on a color scheme there. Let's look for some, I like the bicycle. I kind of want to, I also pulled the Rainbow Quotes book from KaiserCraft because I thought I might try to find a couple of quotes that felt kind of like self-care. And also then there are colors and black and white. So these back ones are kind of snarky. I don't think I want those. Let's look more so at colors that are kind of in the color scheme. So I like I Am Enough, but that bright red isn't quite what I'm looking for. Maybe a burgundy. Treat people with kindness. That could come across the bottom here. I could do a little sticker surgery. And fit. Let's do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my little tiny ceramic blade. This is from Sticker Guru. I got it in the advent calendar, but you can buy them separately on their website. You probably could find them on Amazon too. I'll see if I can find a link for something similar and link it in the description box. But all I'm doing is basically cutting lightly so that I cut through the sticker, but not the waxy silicone coated page that it's stuck to. And I'm cutting in between the rows of text so that I can separate the rows of text and put them all in one line. Okay, so I'm going to start with the middle word in the middle and then just put the beginning and the end of the quote on either side. And it is a bold enough quote that it shows up over that little bit of extra large overlay tape that sticks down across the bottom. Okay, so I still want to look for maybe a weekend banner and something for this side. So let's keep looking through the different colors. Orange is definitely here. Do what you love. Ooh, you can do hard things. That absolutely feels like a wellness and fitness kind of a spread, kind of a you can make progress or excuses, but not both. Actually, I like that one even better. That's a good wellness quote. So if I put this over here somewhere, I need to decide what's going to go with it so that I know whether I need to put it in the corner or on the edge. In the middle, I mean. I could put a bike with it. That seems like, you know, it's around the time to start thinking about the garden. And even though I felt like this was more of a personal progress, it could go with gardening stuff, like the progress of your garden. So let's go ahead and put it in the middle and then put a couple little things on either side. And so I think it's going to fit, yeah, it's going to fit perfectly right in between the washi and the date. So let's go ahead and put a couple garden-y type things around it. So progress from wheelbarrow to full florals. Okay, and then, okay, let's keep going. I'm liking this so far. I think these quotes look great. Let's keep going and try to find more colors that are in here. So yellow. Ooh, these are hard to read. Be the sunshine. Protect, ooh, protect your peace. That's another really, really, really good one. Protect your peace. That is definitely a self-care one. So the question then is, here or down here? I think up here. It's a nice small one. So let's do protect your peace right here on Thursday. Right smack in the center. I really want this bike. I'm wanting this sticker, this bicycle. So I'm going to put it here because it looks peaceful. And then maybe we'll look for one more really big quote to put here and one for down here. And that'll be about it. Here's green. There's a little bit of green in here. Just start today as a gift. You can do hard things. That's too big, I think, to fit here. Actually, I can just start. That's actually a good one too. Let's put that one down here. Okay, more sticker surgery. I feel like that's a good one if you are trying to get going on a new healthy way of eating or exercise, some kind of self-improvement, self-care kind of a thing. Just start is a good one for that. So I'm going to put it so that the center of the three columns is kind of in between the two words. There. That's cute. All right. Last but not least, let's put something up here and we'll call it good. So I've got orange, I've got burgundy, I've got yellow, I've got green. Is there a kind of a pinky? Or brown? There's a different shade of green. Blue, don't want blue. That kind of matches the pink. Let's look for something a little bit wider. The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately. I see possibility everywhere. That's good too. I like that pink. I think I want the pink for sure. Okay, let's do this one. Or I could do a really, really big one. The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately. They both feel like they could be self-care, but they also both feel like they could be work kind of inspiration. I'm also eyeing this I love to stay at home because that feels like a self-care kind of a thing. Maybe let's do that. I love to stay at home. We'll just go every other on the left side or the right side. Dyslexia. I love to stay at home. And then we'll do one more decorative element there, and that'll be good. Okay, so what says I love to stay at home? I kind of like this. Stay at home with my Happy Mail-In stickers. So that's a little different than I normally do. Okay, that is it. So the last thing I need to do, since this is a printable, and I did not print the monthly pages, this one can go right in my planner just the way it is. But this one I need to Frankenplan in because it should flip to the calendar page here. So I'm just going to go all the way around this page, one of these, it doesn't matter which one, even in between the punches with some tape runner, and then stick them together. Lining up around the punches because I don't want there to be any resistance to turning on the discs, and if there is resistance, it's going to come from slightly misaligned punches, you know what I mean? So being super careful on that is going to help you in the long run. And there we go. There is my first week in March spread using the new Planners Anonymous Pretty Posy kit. If you watch that unboxing and you decide you just absolutely have to have that kit, keep an eye out because once most of them are delivered, which obviously is happening now, they will have their extra leftover sub boxes and kits. They will go up for sale on the website. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me. Thank you.